In today's video, I share with you the most important considerations that you need to make as an aspiring poultry farmer in order for you to beat the hurdles along the way and to make it as a big and successful farmer. So you've already made your first decision, which is to become a poultry farmer. Therefore, the next step that you must do is to order your day-old chicks. However, before you order your day-old chicks, you must do an in-depth market analysis. In farming, unlike any other venture, market analysis should be the first decision that you are making as a farmer. This is important because your market analysis will tell you who your customers will be. Most of the poultry farmers don't do this. They just avoid it and get into production without having a clear understanding of who your products will be sold to. This is a mistake that you should avoid at all costs. If you're going to make it big in the poultry farming, you must understand that market analysis comes first, even before production is hit. You should not assume this step. This is because you are entering into a market that is already occupied by other suppliers. The next important consideration you must make is now deciding on the breed that you want to do. The market analysis is going to assist you understand what the market needs. It is your market analysis that will tell you if you're going to go for layers. It is the market analysis that will direct you if you're going to start with broilers or even the improved kienyeji. So you must ensure that you do your market analysis without assuming anything. Go out there, meet hotels, meet farmers, ask them how much they are selling their eggs at the moment. Ask them where they are selling their meat. And in this way, you will be sure that your products will have a market to be sold to. The third most important consideration that you want to ensure you make with all diligence is on the quality of your feeds. Feeds consist of 70 to 80% of the total production cost in any poultry farm. And therefore, for you to ensure that you stay in business, you will have to make a decision where you are going to access quality feeds which will be fed to your chicken. Quality feeds will ensure that you have an uncompromised production which will keep you in business. It is also advisable that you should purchase your feeds in bulk. This is important because it will help you to minimize on the costs, especially the transport cost and also the additional cost which comes when you buy feeds in retail. However, you can also decide to start small and grow with your business, but still you'll be required to make a consideration of visiting the market, getting the prices of the feeds, because the feeds will consist the highest amount in your production system. Therefore, ensure you do your research well. Consider asking other farmers where they purchase their quality feeds and start from that point. After making all these considerations, you are ready to start your very profitable poultry venture. However, keep it in mind that you may face challenges all along the way, but understand that challenges are there to make you learn through the process. That's all we had for you in this video. Kindly remember to subscribe down below, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one.